Good morning, everyone. So, hope you guys are doing well. Yes? Okay. I'll just share my screen. You guys know that the last day of our LR revision class. Hence, we'll be covering all those minute things because the major part which I felt was necessary for you guys, the syllogism, be it assumption related or blood relation, all those things we have covered. So today we'll be seeing some missing characters, some image related questions, some situations and all, okay? So and as I said, you'll be receiving a paper today, a revision paper of yesterday what I have given you. You have taken screenshot. The same I'll send it to you as PDF today. Okay, and apart from that, syllogism question paper you'll be receiving and assertions related questions you'll be receiving today. So all set for today's class? Good morning, Nishant. Yes? Okay, good. So here you can see that I hope your notebook, your pen, everything is ready. So we'll begin with the missing characters. Okay, so you have seen till now missing characters in numbers and i's, but here it will be in the matrix wise. Okay, so the calculation will go on as per the matrix. Either it can be row wise or column wise. Both the combination. So if it is two question marks again, here I have put one. Sometimes you will get row wise calculation also in the same question and at the same time a column wise calculation. So accordingly you have to deduce. Very simple, very easy because numeric it is. There is some calculation obviously, right? Now find out the calculation, what it can be. I think you can see that here after 108, that is between 108 and 18, there is an alpha number which is missing, the digit. So you have to find that particular missing number. Dipti, that option itself I have not given you, right? Yes, good morning, Pooja. Shraddha, again, have I given you any such kind of options, guys? Good morning, Srujan. The options, that is, answers will be either 12, 16, 18, or 20. So, yeah, out of this. I'm getting all such kind of answers which I have not given in the options at all. Yes, I hope you can see the options here, correct? Can you see the options? Yes, 6, 12, 18. See, this is a calculation. 72, 24, 6, 96, 16, 12, 108-18. There is some this. Either it can be row wise or it can be column wise. So you'll just have to check. Can you put up your answer, please? Instead of the option, can you give me the answer directly? Yes, Hitesh, Shubham, correct. Rest of them, please give me your calculation fast. So here the calculation, those who have not got. Shrujan, no, you'll have to check your answers. What they have done, see, there is 74, 20, 72, 24, and 6. So now if I take the column wise calculation, 72, 96 has turned out into 108 or 72, 108 has turned out into 96. But I cannot find any kind of calculation which will give me the answer as 97. So from this side, if I turn, that is the row wise, 72, 24 has given me 6. So maybe there is some kind of calculation over there. So what will I do is, sorry, 72. Okay, 72, I'll keep it aside. 24, I will divide it by 2. What is 24 divided by 2? Yes, now you got the answer. So it is 72 divided by 24 divided by 2, okay, which will give me 12. So 72 divided by 12 will give me 6. Yes or no? Is it giving me 6 now? So similarly, if I take 16 divided by 2, which is 8, okay, then 96 divided by 8, is it giving me 12? Is 96 divided by 8 giving me 12? Yes. So similarly, last one. Now I have 108 divided by x. I don't know the number. So this will give me how much? 18. So put up the calculation accordingly now. Now can you calculate? So it will be what? So it will be y divided by 2 is equal to, you work out in your notebook, don't check mine. How much is 108 divided by 18? It will give you, I think, yes, 6. So y is equal to 6 into 2, 12. So this should be your answer. Yes? Everyone got this answer? So here 108, there is no much calculation into it. Your middle column, you will be dividing it by 2. So whatever answer you get, again, your first column divided by that answer will give you the third column. Okay, so that's why I wanted 108, because the middle column is not there. So I consider it as x. So 108 divided by x, again divide by 2, which will give me 8, should give me 18. So again, sorry, here I put x and here I've taken y, right? So this is your y. So y divided by 2 is equal to 108 divided by 18. Accordingly, we'll get the answer. Cross multiply, you'll get it. Yes? Is it clear, the first question? Very simple calculation. This mathematics and all, I don't have to teach you. You would have learned it in what, 6th standard, 7th standard somewhere. Yes, good. Moving on to the question number 2 now. Matrix you might get alphabet wise also or numeric wise also. So now numeric we saw. What if you get an alphabet? So similar calculation, how you used to find the alphabet series, right? Same type you will have to find here, +2, -2 accordingly. But row wise or column wise you have to check. That's all. So now put up your answer. Okay, easy one, right? Yes, Namata, Nishant, yes, Surabhi, Diksha, no, Namata, Khushi, Deepti, correct. So here what they have done is, there is C, B, G, N or B, D, G. If I take any of the calculation, B, D, I cannot come into G calculation. Similar one, it will not be applicable for G, J, N. So column wise, I cannot come. Hence, what am I doing? I'm doing row wise now. So B plus 5 will give me G. Similarly, G plus how much will give me N? G plus 7. Good. 7 will give me N. Okay. Now, let me check, is there any relationship with the second row? D plus how much is J? D plus 6 is J. Good. So, J plus 8 will give me R. So, if I check here, it is plus 5 plus 6, then again plus 8. So, it means that your addition is increasing by 1 digit. Yes. So G plus 7 should give me N. Similarly, N plus 9 should give me W. So answer will be W. Okay. C will be the option. Is it fine? The second question. We'll move on to the third one. So again, in this map, there is a number which is missing. Yes. So please give me the answer, find out the calculation. So there are two numbers missing, you can see. Yes, Nishant, Namata, Ruchita, good, very good. Impal, yes. So because majority have given me the answer, I will start working on it. So obviously if you see 149, it is nothing but 1 square. Yes, Kushi, Shraddha, very good. 2 square, 3. And obviously next should be the 4. So 4 will give me 16. Yes, Surabhi, Kushi, good. So the next one, the second row is perfect. So the third row, I'll go 2, 4, 6. Obviously, I know what will come next 2, 4, 6. Next is 8, hence 16 and 8. This will be my answer. Okay, very simple one, very easy one. So we'll move on to the next question. Again, there is one missing number. What can be your calculation over here? Start up. Nishant, no. Shraddha, no. Hitesh, no. See, there is some calculation. Obviously, there are 4 rows, 3 columns, but if I check it out 28, 60, 48, and similarly 5, 6, 7, again the numbers are increasing. After that, again it is decreasing. So obviously, it means that each one in a column wise, if I go, they are not related to each other. 60 cannot become 6, or 6 cannot become 30. According, I have to check, is there any calculation related to row wise? So 28, 60, 48. Is there any calculation? Or because 28 is there and 48 is there, and the biggest number here is somewhere 60. Can I put up any calculation over there? One thing is for sure, it is a row-wise calculation. Now, if you don't want to go for first row because the numbers are big, go for the second row. 5, 6, 7. Is there any calculation? It is, we can't say that it is a consecutive number because automatically your fourth row or third row should have a consecutive number, but it is not so. Correct? Calculation. Now, what is that calculation? Can you find any multiple operators? Can you use some multiple operators and do it? Check on it. Meanwhile, I'll put my calculation. Okay. So for 5, 6, 7, I'll put. Accordingly, you'll have to deduce the next thing. Okay. Seven minus 5, that is third column minus second column, or the difference between first and three column. Okay, first and third column, it is 2. How can 2 become 6? Is it applicable to all the other things? Let me check. The difference between the first row, if I go, the difference between 48 and 28, it is somewhere, how much? 20. 20 into 3. Is it giving me 60? Yes, it is giving me. Similarly, difference between 17 and 7, it is 10. 10 into 3, it is 30. Now, what will be then for the last one? Please check it out. Yes, Dipti, perfect. What about others? What will be the difference here? The last one. First, you have to find the difference between the first column and the second, sorry, the first column and the second column in the fourth row. Once you get the difference, you have to multiply that with 3 and then you will get the answer. Yes, all good. So I'll just put up the calculation over here. 16 minus 7. How much is 16 minus 7? Yes, 9 into 3 will be 27. Meanwhile, check up question number 5 for a while. Yes, can you check it out? It is just alphabets we have done. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Yes, okay. Please check up your question number 5. Okay, good, Nishant. What about the others? So when such kind of course, what you have to do, you have to try all the options if possible. But if you get it in the first answer itself, a pattern, yes, then don't waste your time. So we'll just put here. There is J, K, M, J, L, M, K, L dash. Yes. Obviously, if you check it up, if I put J here, J, K, J, that is the first option. If I put J over here, J, K, J, K, L, L, correct? Is there any pattern? J, K, J, M, J, K, L, M, K, L, L. Obviously, no pattern over here. Similarly, if I go for third also, L, K, K, M. Even I don't think that will give me any pattern. See, J, K, L, M, J, K, L, M. After that is K, K, right? Yes, K, K, then LM. Again, no pattern. So I'll go for the third option, which is L, K, J, M. So here, J, K, L, M, J, K, L, M, J, K, M. Am I getting a pattern? There's nothing but J, K, L, M continuously. Yes. So C option is giving me this pattern. Hence, our answer is C. Okay, Ruchita, check up your answer. Similarly, one more question. Question number 6. Please move on to question number 6. D. Okay. Ruchita, Namrata, Nishant, good. Yes, Nishant, good. So here, if I have to go, T dash S T dash S dash U dash T dash S. Yes, everyone are right. It is D U U T S U. So what is the option I'm getting, or the pattern which I'm getting is TUS. Again, TUS and TUS. TUS, TUS. Yes, there's a continuous alphabet, hence that is the pattern. Now this is done. We are moving on to arranging in sequence. Easy one. So that's why I've given you only 2 questions just to refresh your memory. Okay. Go to question number 7. You have to arrange the words given below in a meaningful sequence. So how do you arrange it? First one is income, status, education, well-being, and job. So question number 7. Yes. I don't know, Surabhi, Diksha, Shubham, good. Rest of them, Hitesh, good. Srujan, good, wonderful. Yes, Kushi, Namata, all have given me the correct answer. Ruchita, check up your answer. Nishan, DC, good. Shayan, yes. So here, when you check up what it is given, income, status, education, well-being, and job. So obviously in this pattern or in this sequence when we go, education is the first thing which you obtain, correct? So 3, education. So once you're educated, obviously you'll find a job for yourself. So it is 5. After you get a job, you will get salary, you will get income. So once you get a income, automatically you start, once you start raising your status, that is, you start improving yourself career wise, you'll be promoted, you'll work hard, etc. So you will be gaining status with it. And after your status only, we'll think about the well-being. Yes. So here comes your order, which is D option. 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Yes, Ruchita. Okay. Pooja, you'll have to check your answer. Go on to question number 8. Heal. Okay, this is again related to your body part, so I know that you should know very well. Namata, correct. Heel, shoulders, skull, neck, knee, chest, thighs, stomach, face, hand. So obviously this means that from top to bottom you'll have to. Namata, Hitesh, Diksha, good. The first is your head part, right? So when I come to head, obviously there is no head, but there is skull. So 3, skull comes first. After skull, what is there? Your face. So 9. After face comes your neck. So 3, 9, 4. After neck comes your shoulder. Yes, everyone, perfect. So shoulder is 2. After your shoulder comes what? Now here 1 or 2 might get a question. After shoulder, is it chest or is it hands? Yes, obviously it is hand. And then comes your chest, that is 6. After chest comes your stomach, which is 8. And after stomach comes your thigh, 7. After your thigh comes your knees. I hope you all know which is thigh, which is knees. Yes. And after your knees comes your heel. So this option, if I have to take, it comes in B. 3, 9, 4, 2, 10, 6, 8, 7, 5, 1. Yes. So easy. Again, as I said, just to memory. Next comes your Venn diagram. So obviously a sentence will be given to you based on which you have to draw a Venn diagram. Yes. So now there are a group of 165 children buys different soft toys among teddy bear, puppy and rabbit. So out of 165 children, they buy these 3. 25 children buy only teddy bear, 63 buy only puppies, 10 children buy all the 3 only rabbits. How many children buy exactly 2 different soft toys? So your Venn diagram should be ready for this. You have to draw obviously 3 circles, each denoting 1 soft toy. So if I have to go, all the 3 combinations are there. See, 10 children by all the 3, hence you can definitely intersect without any doubt. So if I take this as teddy bear and this as puppy and this is a rabbit, okay, what is the total group? So total group of children is 165. Okay, so now in this 165, yes, we'll come to it, correct, Nishant. So in this 165, 26 children buy only teddy bear. So this is 26. 63 buy only puppy. So this is 63. 10 children buy all the 3. 40 buy only rabbits. Okay, so this is a combination. Now, according to this, Hitesh, no, Ruchita, correct. According to this, you'll have to find out who buy or how many children buy exactly 2 different toys. Total strength is 165. Yes, in this 165, you can deduce all the or detect all the numbers which you have got. That is 26 plus 60. Sorry, 26 plus 63 plus 40 plus 10. So this will be equal to, I think, 165 minus how much is 26, 63, 40 and 10? It will give you 1. 139. So there are 26 children who might get any combination. They didn't ask you a particular combination. So any two combination will come under 26. So this will be your answer. Option C. Yes. Moving on to question number 10. In a music class, there are 170 students and 80 students. 80 students like classical music, 20 students like both Western and classical. So we don't know how many students like Western over here. So everyone likes at least 2. Find the number of students who like one of the two. Who likes one of the two? I think Ruchita knows. Shrujal and Nishant are somewhere close by, but not the exact answer. So here I can take 2 circles, again one denoting classical music, one denoting Western music. Yes. How many strength? 170 is a total in which 80 students like classical music. So 80 students. There are 20 students who like both. So this is 20. This is my question mark as of now. Yes. So now I have to total students who like classical music. If I have to take, then it is 80 plus 20 will give me 100. Yes. This is total students who like classical music. Is 100. So now I got 100 out of this total, much 170, correct? So if I detect the total strength with the number of students who like classical music, 70 I get pending who like Western music. Okay, so now 70 people like Western, but is that the question? Hitesh, Ruchita and Surabhi who gave me that answer, that is not the question, right? What is the question? Find the number of students who like one of the two. That is, they should like combination of it. So combination of it, when I say, that is one of the two in the sense who like classical and who like Western. So what do I do to get that in? Who like classical and the Western? What will be the calculation? Now change your calculation, guys. Till 70, I know you all got correctly. Question, find the number of students who like one of the two in the sense. That is, who like classical separately and who like Western separately. That is the meaning of the question. So who like classical separately and Western separately, what is the total strength? Yes, Nishant, perfect. What about others? It's there in your screen itself, guys. Check it out. So see, those who like classical alone, we have already got, correct? Those who like Western alone, just now we calculated. So number of students who like one of the two, that is classical separately and Western separately, is how much? 150. Yes, yes. Nishant gave me the correct answer, so good. Okay, so I think only where you got mistaken or misunderstood is find the number of students who like one of the two in the sense. In these two individually they are liking it, so obviously they didn't ask you classically individual or your Western individual, so automatically who likes both individually you'll have to take a number of students who like classical is 80, number of students who like Western is 70, add it up, give the answer. Okay, moving on to question number 11. So here 11 and 12 has been asked from same set of scenario. So in an office, 35% of the employees are not punctual. Listen to the question carefully or read the question carefully. They are not punctual. So 65% of the employees are not hardworking. Okay. So in this 10% alone are punctual and also hardworking. Now you have to find two questions. One, what percent of employees are only hardworking? Second, what percentage of employees are neither punctual nor hardworking? Put up your Venn diagrams. Now, before I put up the Venn diagrams, one thing from the question, you have to get it very clearly, guys. See, they have mentioned that 35% of the employees are not punctual. Okay. If they are not punctual, what categories are we dealing here with? Either punctual or hardworking, only two categories. Okay. If I say that I am me, Suprabha, I'm not punctual, then it is assumed that I am hardworking. Okay, if I'm not punctual, because I have segregated the employees, if I say A, B, C, D are not punctual, then it means that they are hardworking. And if 65% are not hardworking, then that means that 65% of the total employees are punctual. Got it? Where the clinch rise? Yes. So understanding goes here. When not question comes, that is where your understanding should go. As I said, 35% of employees are punctual. That means they are hardworking. Similarly, 65% of employees are not hardworking. That means they are punctual. Okay. Now with this information, I'll put my Venn diagram. Okay. So in this Venn diagram, if I have to take punctual, how many percentage are punctual? 65. How many percentage are hardworking? 35. 35 plus 65. Is it 100 employee? Yes, it is 100% of employee. Okay. Till here, I got it. Now I'll go to the data. So out of this, 10% of employee are punctual and hardworking. So your intersection when it comes, automatically intersection part will be what? 10%. Your intersection is 10%. Okay. So till I hope it is clear. Now, if I take this as my punctual and this as my hardworking, then already 65% are punctual, we have said, which includes your 10% also, because it is a total strength, right? Out of 100%, 65% are punctual, whereas it includes 10% who are in mutual understanding also. Hence, 65 minus 10 will give me 55. So I can say that 55% are punctual alone. Okay. Similarly, I have to put the calculation for hardworking. There are 35% minus 10, which will give me 25. So 25% of the employees are hardworking alone. Okay, till here I got the Venn diagram and its calculation. Now I'll go to the question. What percentage of employees are only hardworking? The answer for that? What percentage of employees are only hardworking? Yes, Shraddha. Good. What about others? The answer is here only, no man. Only hardworking. Only hardworking. Okay. 25%. So your answer for first will be 25%. Okay, I think it is C option. So the next one, what percentage of employees are neither punctual nor hardworking? So now I have to add this. There is 55% who are punctual, 10% who are both punctual and hardworking. There are 25 who are only hardworking. How much it became now? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90%. Correct? Yes or no? So 90. Total 55, 10 and 25 when I add, that is 55% who are punctual, 10% who are both punctual and 25% who are only hardworking. If I add them up, I get 90%. So what is the total strength? What is the total percentage we have already calculated? 100% is the strength of the employees. So 90% minus 100%, obviously it will give me 10%. So 10% are neither punctual and nor hardworking employees. Okay, yes, Surabhi, correct. So is this calculation clear? Yes, no? Shayan. Okay, Shraddha, which one do you want me to repeat? Second one, the second question. Okay, so I'll go from beginning, otherwise you'll miss the flow. Okay, so here, as I said, 35% of the employees are not punctual, we said. Okay, so when they are not punctual, it means that they are hardworking. So I'll take 35% as hardworking. Okay, similarly 65% of employees are not hardworking, so indirectly it means that 65% are punctual. So add 65 and 35, how much it will be? Total 100% of the employees we are speaking about. So this is your total strength of a office. Okay, now in this 10% employees are punctual and hardworking, hence your Venn diagram intersection part comes as 10%. Okay, so this 10% includes punctual and hardworking. Now, if I have to separate punctual alone or hardworking alone, what will I do? Obviously, my punctual is 60. In this, I'll remove 10%, minus 10%, which will give me 55%. Similarly, in hardworking, I'll do minus 10% and I'll get 25%. Now, what and all information I got? Employees who are hardworking alone, 25%, employees who are punctual alone, 55%, employees who are both punctual and hardworking, 10%. Total strength of the employees is 100%. Yes, Shraddha, till here I have got the information. Now, first question, percentage of employees who are hardworking alone. Obviously, I have the answer with me, 25. I'll go ahead with it. Now, who are not punctual and not hardworking. So now if I add this 25, 55 and 10%, what will be the addition, Shraddha? 25%. Look at the Venn diagram. 25% who are hardworking, 55 who are punctual, and 10 who are hardworking and punctual. If I add them, total how many percentage will come, Shraddha? What is the total? Add up. 25 plus 55 plus 10? Yes, 90%. What is the total strength of my employees? What is the total strength of my employees? 100. So 100 plus 90 and includes, as I said, all the three categories. So when I subtract it, I get 10% of employees who are neither punctual nor hardworking. Yes, is it clear, Shraddha? Yes. So we go back to our next question, which is analytical reasoning. Okay, so analytical reasoning here is nothing but you'll have to put, they'll give you certain data. As in Monday, this person has ate this much of chocolate, Tuesday, this much, who ate what on which day. So such kind of calculations should, just give me a minute. Yes, such kind of calculation we will do it. So how do we do those calculations? I'll put it up here. Before going to the question, always remember in analytical reasoning, it is better to use a tabular column. Okay, put a table, put all the informations over there, and accordingly you can deduce it very fast. If you have a table, so automatically what happens, you become clear. Again, you don't have to go back to the same data, read again. The question repetition can be avoided. Yes, and we know that time is much more important in LR. So I'll go back to question number 13. Here it says that 7 exams, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These are the 7 exams. It has been scheduled from Monday and it ends on Sunday. That is 7 days. Okay. there is a gap between 2 days between C and D exam. So I have to remember that, hence I have put this in a side point. So there is two gap. It can be either C and D or D and C. Okay, that is, we don't know. Remember the how we put seating arrangement? Same thing. There is gap between C and D for 2 days. Now, whether C exam will come first or D exam will come first, we don't know. So I have kept both the options open. Next, A is scheduled. Till here, is it clear? 7 examinations, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, has been scheduled for 7 days from Monday to Sunday. Okay. And one information they gave is C and D has 2 days gap. I don't know, hence I have written it up. I'll go to the next sentence. A is scheduled on Tuesday. So Tuesday goes for A. Okay. And F is scheduled on Saturday. So F goes for Saturday. Now on Tuesday and Saturday, no other exam can come because A and F has already taken its place. D cannot be scheduled on Thursday. So I cannot schedule whom on Thursday. I cannot schedule D on Thursday. And information, I'm keeping it up here. So when is the, so these are the information. Now what is the question? When is the earliest B can be scheduled? Okay, so you have to schedule B at the earliest, but there are two conditions. What are those conditions? One, it has to be conducted after E. The first condition is it has to be conducted after E. Second, it should not be not on a day immediately after C. It means two condition, I repeat. One, it has to be conducted after E. B exam has to be conducted after E. Second, B exam should not be conducted on a day immediately after C. That is C and B. B should not be followed by C. Simple as that. Okay. Situation again, I'll tell you. 7 examination A, B, C, D, E, F, G on 7 days from Monday to Sunday. Okay. Here condition is A's day is given, the F exam's day is given. That is, A is on Tuesday, F is on Saturday. D does not come on Thursday. Okay. Condition wise, again, there is one more thing where C and D has 2 days gap between them. But we don't know whether C comes first or D comes first. So we keep that information aside. Now, what is the question? You have to allocate B's examination at the earliest. Okay. But to do that, you have to fulfill two conditions. B should come only after, and second, immediately after C, B should not be there. Okay, these are the two conditions. Till here clear? Yes, so we'll go to the questions now, or how to allocate. Okay, now the earliest slot available is Monday, obviously. Correct? Now we have to see where we can put B. Can I put B on Monday? Can I put B on Monday with all the conditions satisfying? Yes or no? Just put that. No, I cannot put B on Monday. Why? Because B has to be after E. Correct? B has to be after E. So I have no condition for E, hence I put here. I'm just assuming. So can I put B on Wednesday then? What was the condition for B? One, it has to come after E. Yes, it has come. But it should not be on the day immediately after C. So the Tuesday is anyhow A. Correct? So Tuesday is A. It is not coming after C. So can I put B here? If I put B here, I'll imagine that if I put B here, obviously D should not come here. Yes, D should not be coming here. So D and C should have 2 days gap. So here the Friday, Saturday are the 2 days gap. Hence Thursday C or D has to be there. And because as per your condition D cannot be there, then I will put C here. Automatically after 2 days D will come here. Who is left out now? A, B, C, D, E and F is there. So automatically Friday comes to the slot of G. Yes, is this clear? Don't go to the question, don't answer. Is this clear? Why did I put it? So simple thing, what you have to do, immediate slot, what is there, try answering that. Okay. And obviously when you try putting the subjects, you have to do what? You have to make sure that you satisfy the condition also. So now as per my question, when is the earliest B can be scheduled? When is the earliest B can be scheduled? It can be scheduled on Wednesday. Yes, so answer is B. Is it clear? Anyone want me to repeat it? Yes. Is that clear? What about Impal, Nishant? Okay. So here I'm going to the next question. Okay, Shrujan wants me to repeat. Done. Shrujan, I think you know the situation. You know the question, what is asked, what are the condition, correct? Shrujan, clear with that? 7 examination, A, B, C, D, E, F, G on 7 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And condition is that there should be 2 days gap between C and D. What you have to find, B's, when you can schedule B examination at the earliest you have to find, but it should come after E and it should not come immediately after C. Okay, so they have given you information. A is scheduled on Tuesday, so I'll put F is scheduled on Saturday, hence F will be here. Now I have to see where I can put at the earliest. Obviously, earliest is Monday for me, but I cannot put B on Monday. Why? Because B should be conducted, B exam should be conducted after E. So can I put E over here? If I put E, will it satisfy? Will the rest of the dates satisfy? We have to check. So after E, can I put B on Tuesday? Obviously no, because A is scheduled over there. Then comes when I put B here. Again, is it satisfying the two condition? B should come after E. Yes, it is coming. B should not be immediately after C. Obviously no, because before that is A. So I'll put B here. But with this, I cannot stop because other exams also I have to schedule. Now, there is a condition that between C and D, there has to be 2 days gap. So can I put D in Thursday? No, as per this rules, D cannot be scheduled on Thursday. So I'll schedule C over here. I give 2 days and I put D here. So there is 2 days difference between C and D. And why it can't be D and C? Because D cannot come on Thursday. Okay, so F already given to Saturday, hence the left out alphabet or subject is G, so G comes to Friday. To answer my question, which is the earliest B, sorry, when is the earliest B can be scheduled? B can be scheduled at the earliest on Wednesday. Yes, I hope it is clear. Now we go to question number 14. Sorry. So there are 4 kids, W, X, Y, and Z. They ate 4 different chocolates. Which chocolate did they eat? Silk, 5-star, Bonville, and Munch. So now all feeling like eating chocolates. I know, that's why I put this question. So now we'll keep that aside later. They threw the wrappers, okay? After eating the chocolate, they threw the wrappers in 4 different places. What are those 4 places? Dust, balcony, terrace, and street. Okay. Now, directly before I go to the conditions, what I do, I go for the question. What have they asked? Where was Munch's wrapper thrown? Correct. So, are they asking who ate what? No. Correct. So we are not bothered about who ate what. We are just bothered about which chocolate wrapper is thrown. So what I do, who ate what, I'll skip it off. Okay, instead directly I'll see is there any information which tells where what is thrown. So now I'll go to the question again. Y ate 5-star, but he did not throw the wrapper in a dustbin. So 5-star was not thrown in dustbin. Okay, 5-star was not thrown in dustbin. That is the first clue you got. Bonville wrapper was thrown on the street, but not by W. Again, we are not bothered who is doing, so we'll leave that. We'll just make sure that Bonville wrapper are thrown in the street. So this is thrown in street. Okay. Z did not eat a munch. Again, we are not bothered where it is thrown, so I'll keep it aside. Silk's wrapper was thrown on the terrace. So silk on terrace. Okay. Now where was Munch wrapper thrown? So now terrace is there, street is there. Left out is only two, which is dustbin and balcony. 5-star is not thrown on dustbin, so automatically 5-star is thrown on balcony, and left out is Munch, which is thrown in the dustbin. Yes, yes. Everyone, whoever gave me the answer, perfect. So now, if I had taken information like why ate this, if I had put all those things, again it is wastage of time, correct? So always in this kind of questions, go for the question. What have they asked? Only from there you deduce. So rest all you can, unnecessary things you can skip it off. Okay. 14th question, is it clear? Yes. Shall we move on to the figure matrix? Sorry. Yes. So in figure matrix, what they have asked or what they will ask is for you to find out the identical image. So here you can see that there are 3 rows of images, right? So automatically it means that they should be 3 pair. If it is 2 images, then it should be, sorry, there are 3 columns. There are 3 columns, hence automatically they should be 3 groups. If it is 2 columns, then it will be accordingly 2 groups. Yes. Now find out the image which is identical in row 1, row 2 and row 3. Give me the answer first. Okay. Yes, Kushi, Diksha, Ruchita, perfect. What about others? Hitesh, yes. Good. Abhishek, do you want to say something? You have raised your hand. Dipti, Shraddha, check your answer. Shayan, Impal, yes. So if I see here, there is a proper or a simple triangle, 2. There is a rectangle, there is a square. Yes. So 2, 6, 7 is there. And if I check here, okay, from your shape, they have simplified it. These 3. So 1, 5, 8, and with a cross or an inner picture and an outer picture, there are 3. That is 3, 4, and 9. So 3, 4, 9 make a pair. So which one suits this? Obviously, 8. So Ravi, yes. So it is 1, 5, 8, 2, 6, 7, and 3, 4, 9. I'll clear the picture so that you can verify again. Okay. Shall we go? That was a simple one, image. So here, as I said, you just have to find the identical image. So we'll do one more question with this. Choose the correct sequence which are group of identical images. So group it up. Okay, I'm getting a combined answer. Okay, correct. So here, if I have to, sorry. So here, if I have to take Then this picture 1, it combines with 5, and similarly 5 goes with, sorry, 1 combines with, yeah, 1 combines with 4 and 4 combines with 8. So 1, 4, 8 has similar picture. Similarly, if I have to take this one, 2, 5 and 9. 2, 5, 9 is same, and 3, 6 and 7 is same. So 1, 4, 8, 2, 5, 9, 3, 6, 7. So answer is B. Shayan, check it out. Shall I move on to the next question? So it is B, 1, 4, 8, 2, 5, 9, 3, 6, 7. We can't waste much time in such kind of questions. Okay. Shayan, is it okay? Shayan? Okay. Question number 17, please. It's the easiest one. Diksha, yes, right. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible? Yes, okay. Shraddha, check your connection, dear. So here, easiest one, simplest one. Shrujan, good. Yes, Deepti, right. Ruchita, correct. So here is how many strokes are there in the picture. So that will give you the answer. So if you check here, 2, again 2 lines over here. So combination is 1, 2, 3. Here it is 3, 3, and again 1, 2, 3 lines. So 4, 5, 6 is a pair. Here it is 4. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7, 8, 9. So they have given you the answer with the combination. So automatically what happens when one question you have solved from the first row, second row and third row, right? So chances are there, this question is to tell you that chances are there that you have to, the combination can be in the column wise also. That is one particular row completely instead of going from one row to the other row. So here you can see the difference in the same row itself, first, second and third row. If I take, what is the relationship or what the combination here is? In first row, there are 2 strokes being used. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, both have 2 lines. And in 4, 5, 6, both, all the 3 have 3 lines. And 7, 8, 9, all the 3 have 4 lines. Okay, so 2 lines, 3 lines and 4 lines. That will be your combination. So this is done. We are moving to mirror image. So before I go to the mirror image, I would like to refresh your memory. So mirror image is nothing but when you choose attempt any kind of mirror image, just always remember when you look at an alphabet or a picture, okay, the mirror image doesn't go upside down. The mirror image goes from right to left. You have to remember that. Okay, so if it is like this, it will turn into this. So if my M is written like this, if I turn the M, what will be its position? That is what you have to tell. Okay, so mirror image, water image, whatever it is, from right to left, don't make it upside down. Okay, so check in the word Malayalam, what can be your mirror image? Nishant, yes. Impal, yes. Diksha, yes. Kushi, Shubham, Namata, Hitesh, everyone, right? So obviously, when there is a right to left combination, you have to keep it in mind. M, imagine M. You turn this M. In whichever direction you turn, the M will be M only. Yes, this shape will not change. But what will change? This first alphabet will come to the last alphabet. First when you change something into mirror image, the first finger will come last finger, correct? Hence, your first alphabet will come to the end, and this side too, that is for your left hand side. For your left hand, whichever is the last alphabet, that is your first alphabet, correct? Left hand side, your first alphabet will be your right hand side's first alphabet. So accordingly, you have to do Malayalam, because the alphabets are similar and it is same from right to left. If you change, it will be the same. From left to right, if you change, it will be the same. So when I put it as a mirror image, the order of the alphabet will not change. Only that the pattern. So L, if it is there, if the actual L is there, then it will become like this. Correct? M, if it is there, if you change in any way, same. Similarly, A will be same. Yes. So here I have only three alphabets: Malayalam, M, A, L. Correct. These three alphabets, L only will change its position. M and A will remain same. Okay. So in your mirror image, you have to remember this. One is that right to left combination. It is not upside down. It is right to left. One. Second thing is, your first alphabet will come as your last alphabet and last will come in the first two. Second, in the options which is given, many times the students make a common mistake is what they'll check the answer, they'll check certain alphabets. Yes, this alphabet is turned, L has been done, everything is correct, they'll choose that answer. But what they fail to see is you might have two options in given, where it is in the same order, but instead of M-A-L-A-Y-A, they would have put Y-L-A-A-M. So slight spelling mistake purposely they'll do. So when you do mirror image, each and every alphabet in the option given, you have to check, especially for the spellings. Okay, spelling mistake is a common thing which will be given as an option to you. So what we have a tendency, we look at the pattern, A is same, M is same, and if you find the first answer, we tick it off. Don't do that. Check each alphabet's position. Is it properly given? Okay, spellings has to be properly mentioned. So if it is clear, we'll move on to the, yes, for this answer is 2. Yes. Second one is the answer, that is the exact mirror image. So moving on to the question number 19. Question number 19. Here you have alphabet plus number option. Alphabet plus number. Check it up again. Alphabet and number. Yes, all are right. Fourth is the correct answer. See, for what I told you in the Malayalam thing, right here, see, second and fourth have similar thing. They have done it in the same pattern. Pattern is correct, and everything is correct. So T-R-A, correct, right? T-A-R-I-N, terrain is correct. Then in number, instead of 1, they have put 4. So it should be 1, 0, 1, 4A, correct? So this is the one which will give you the correct answer. So here pattern are same in 2 and 4. Only that they have done a spelling mistake or they have misplaced it. So option is D over here, option is B over here. Okay. Now this was related to your alphabet and number. Now mirror image in an image. Okay, if an image is given to you. So this image particularly, sorry, the first image is your clue. This is the actual image. For this image, if you put a mirror image, what will be the answer? Yes, whoever answered till now, perfect. You check that there is one, there is kind of a circle here, and you check here also at the end, there is something. So similarly, it should have, but this side should be gone here and this should come here. Okay. Okay. Now, there are two images here which will be confused. Majority have given me the correct answer. but still for Nishan. Nishan and Shraddha, you guys, it is this. See, if you check this image, look at it carefully. So there is one dot over here. And in this image also, check it up. Here also it is completing. The second line is touching the border, correct? So here, Nishan, if I have to go, if I go to whose answer? Shraddha's answer, I'll go. Okay. If I go to Shraddha's answer, the image is not complete. Can you check here, Shraddha? There is a break. Yes. Hence, automatically this becomes wrong. Okay. Second, if I go to D, there is no hole. The hole should be here, correct? Hence D also I'll cancel. If I come to C, Nishan, this is for you. If I come to C, if you check this, how is it? There is a gap over here. Yes, is there a gap here? No, it is a straight line, but here there is a gap. Nishan, can you see this? Hence this also goes wrong. Whereas here there is a dot, there is no gap, it is completed. Hence B is your answer. Okay. Why I didn't choose A and C is because there is a gap. It is a broken line. Hence, as per the image which is given, it is not there. Yes. So go on to question number 21. Again, here it is on that curve and the shaded part is to your right hand side. Hence, it should come to the left hand side, and it should be from the topmost corner. So what will be the answer? Nishant, yes. Surabhi, no, check your answer. Shrujan, check your answer. How it is? Exactly that it should come. Shraddha, no. Gautam, no. Rest all are correct. Okay. Shayan, no. Guys, look at this image. This is your clue image. Okay. So here, imagine this is a circle and the line, how it goes from your finger, this finger to your thumb, correct? So when it goes from this finger to your thumb, change it. So it should be like this, in this order. Finger, you're in, what is this? The last finger, the small finger, pinky finger, we call it as. From this finger to your thumb, make the image. Hitesh, check it again. If you want, always put it up. From the line goes from where? From your pinky finger, it goes to your thumb finger. So similarly, if I change mirror images, just the opposite of it, sidewise, right? So the order, how it should be. Yes, Hitesh. So to this, it happens. Your shape should not change. My shape should not change. My end part should not change. So if I check here, it is in the same order. A1, see? A and the image, if I see it up, it is on the same side. So automatically, it is a wrong one. If I take this, yes, it is somewhere nearby, but if I check the image, it is coming from the top left corner and it is ending up in the bottom right corner, whereas this is not like that. Hence, second one also I take it as wrong. Third one automatically wrong because it is on the same side again. Yes, it should be in the opposite side. So here I'll go now. This gives me the correct answer. It is coming from top to the bottom and it is in the opposite side. Hence, yes. Okay. D is answer. Gautam, Shrujan understood, or Hitesh. Yeah, Hitesh got it. Gautam and Shrujan. Shrujan, correct answer first. Then why did you change it again? Where did the confusion arise? So is 21 question number clear to all? Why did I choose option D or option 4? Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Yes. So shall I move on to next question? Question number 22. Yes. Okay. Question number 22 now. So here is a rule detection. Okay. So they will give you an image with a rule, an image, also a rule. So which image follow that rule that you have to choose? Which image follow the rule that you have to choose. So here the question number 22, the first rule is the arrow of a given series can be combined without changing their direction to form a meaningful image. So you should not change the arrow's direction, but you have to combine them, and you have to combine them in such a way that it will give you a meaningful image. So which 3, 4. Which one, if you combine, will give you the meaningful image? Really? Nishant, Shrujan. See, options are given down, okay? A, B, C, D. So you can give me A, B, C, D option or exactly the image name. That would be better. You have to combine them. Shraddha, Namata, Nishan. Apart from you guys, no one gave me the correct answer. Okay, I'll go to the image now. Okay, just give me a second. Yes, because majority of them have given me D as the option, so I'll go for the D. Now I have this, 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 and this. What can I make with this? I have to combine, right? Okay, I'll two, third, fourth. Does this give me a proper meaning? Or those students who gave me the answer as 1. This is the first image, second image, third image, fourth image. Which one gives me a proper meaning? Meaningful image. Yes? Obviously this give me, it's go like this. It goes in an order. It goes in an order. So A is the correct answer. Okay? So be careful with this. Small changes or small difference will be there which might change your complete answer. Be very careful with it. So your second image which I'm giving you is, clue which I'm giving you here is, the outer shape disappears gradually while the inner shapes appears slowly as the series moves one step forward to the right side. Okay, so as it moves towards the right side, that is the move right side in the sense first image, second image, third image, fourth image. When we go from first image till the fourth image, we are moving towards the right side. Your outer shape is disappearing gradually and your inner shape is appearing gradually. So which image satisfies this condition? Which image satisfies this condition? Shrujan, Deepti, check your answers. Shrujan, no. Shrujan, okay. Who gave me? Diksha. Okay, sorry. Diksha, check your answer, please. Diksha, Shayan, Gautam. So what was the condition? As I said, when you move from your left side to right side per image, your outer circle should disappear or outer shapes should disappear. Inner shape should appear. Okay, so majority the answers which I got is between A. So let's check A first. There was circle here, outer circle. If I go, there is a circle here. It disappeared here. Good. Again, here it disappeared. Okay, here disappeared. So first disappearance is happy. Yeah. Next is inner circle appearing. Here one extra line is there. Good. Then it became a full square. After that, one disappeared. So it is not possible, right? It should appear. So once it is there, in second image, it appeared. Third image, it appeared. But in fourth image, it disappeared. So one goes wrong. Okay. I'll go to the second options which you have given me. Okay. So one is that full circle is the outer circle, then it is disappearing here. Again, it disappeared more. Again, it disappeared more. Yes, first one satisfied. We'll go to inner circle. Here it appeared. it appeared and it appeared. So this B option satisfies, or the second image. Okay, whoever chose A, Shraddha Gautam. Shraddha gave me the answer. So Gautam, is it okay by, or did you understand why did I choose the second image and why I didn't choose the A option? Is it clear? Everyone? Yes. Okay. We'll be moving. Just give me a few seconds, guys. Okay. Sorry about it. Yeah, we'll be moving on to the next question. In this, there is a 24th, there is a condition that the curve turns into straight line and the straight line turns into curves. So which image gives you that option where it turn into a straight line and the straight line should turn into curve? Okay. What about others? Nishan, check it up again. Shrujan, also check it up. How is the image, first of all? What is the X image tells you? And similarly, what is the options given to you? Just give me a few seconds. Okay, we'll go back to the image, X image itself. Okay. So here's your image. What has been done, where and all it is covering, how far it is covering, everything you'll have to check it up, guys. See, it is a circle, right? It's a complete circle. So the image is completely encircled. The inner circle or inner picture is completely encircled with the outer. So similarly here, end-to-end meet is there. The inner circle is end-to-end meet, whereas the outer circle, it is engrossed in it, correct? So similarly, if I take, I've got all the options actually. Some of them gave me A, C, and D, B, everything. So I'll go to A now. So because here it is engrossed, and if you check in your A image, it is not closing the circle. Inner circle, fine, but outer circle, it is not closing, whereas here I have completely enclosed it. So this becomes wrong. Okay, if I go to this one again, your line should become what? Circle, and your circle should become line. So here your line has become line again, so this is also wrong. Here the line has become circle, circle has become line, perfect, but again it is similar to option 1, it is not encircling, hence this is also wrong. Whereas here your line has become circle and your circle has become line and it has completely enclosed. So this circle has become line and the line which is there, it has become a circle. So option 2 or B is the correct answer. Yes. Now, is it clear? Why did I choose option 2? Yes, guys? Yes. So we'll be going to the last question. In this, the condition is the series becomes simpler as it proceeds. You have to make it as simple as possible. Which image becomes as simple as possible? Namata, Gautam, Shrujan, Hitesh, Deepti, Kushi, Nishant, Bangera. Yes. Ruchita, check it out. Diksha, perfect. As simple as possible. So simple as possible in the sense, in that first image, from there, something or the other should keep on detecting. One element or the other should keep on reducing. Okay, I'll go back. I got the answers 2, 3, and 4. So one, no one went off. So we'll go to 2. Shraddha, this is for you. Okay, just give me a second. Yes, if you check this up, your first image. So first image, there was some kind of, over here in this part, it was like this, correct? But second image, what happened? Rest all changed, but this should have gone or it should have reduced, but instead of that, something got added up. Yes. In third, it got reduced, and in fourth, it got added up. So it is not making it more simpler. And second option gone. Okay, I'll go for fourth option. Here also, if you check, there was a complete flower shape. They reduced, very good. They reduced here, very good. After reducing, why did they add again? See, there are two circles or semicircle, which is added up. So since from your complex picture, it keeps on reducing, correct? Hence, this also is incorrect. Whoever gave me the option D. Here, from this picture, there were 4. They kept only the center line. They took it off. From this also, they took off the center line. Here also half went. Here, the third image, only center line is there. Fourth image, no flower, only the line center line. Hence, yes, this has been made more simpler compared to the other 3 pictures. Yes, is it clear? Especially those students who gave me 2 and 4 as an answer. Why didn't that? Clear? Very good. Okay. So we are done with almost revising all the topics. Okay. Where and all we have to take it, we have done. So some simple tips here and there, or what I'm planning to do. As I said, today by evening, you'll receive one PDF of what we did yesterday. So those who have not taken a screenshot, use that PDF. A syllogism questions PDF separately you will get. And after that, a combined of all the third section of your LR. The third section includes your analytical questions, analytical reasonings are there, number series, alphabet series, mirror imaging, all those deducing things, right? Image related questions and plus some number series and there. So all the entire PDF, you will be getting a question bank kind of. Okay, you'll be getting a question bank where all the topics, certain questions will be worked out, including the questions, answers, solutions, everything you will be getting. That is separate. That is from management you will get. Okay. Apart from that, Shrujan, I hope I have answered your question for that. So apart from that, if you want to check up any questions, any classes which we have done before or any particular topics classes, yes, already your recorded classes are there. You can check over there also. So you can check the missed classes as per the topics, questions and the workout, with the answers, with the solutions, you'll be getting a full set of everything, entire package of LR you'll be getting. And I think with the other subjects, it's also included in it. So you'll be getting a book kind of thing, hopefully. If not, also, you will be getting separate question papers from me so that you can work out each questions. Okay, question paper along with the answer key if possible. If not, simple questions and all, I won't give you answer keys because I don't want you to check the answers at all. I want you to work it out by yourself. Okay, cross verification, yes, I'll send it to you with the answer key separately. Okay, so as I said, yesterday's one PDF you'll get today, syllogism. Hopefully tomorrow and by day after tomorrow, maximum by this weekend, you'll be getting from the third part of your LR, the entire thing, 10 questions. I'll make one PDF, I'll send it to you. First part, second part, again, it will be given to you as a separate entire book, it will be given to you. Okay, anything clear, anything, anywhere, any doubt or any questions to be asked, please put up in your chat box. And when you keep working out, when you're working out the questions, if you find any doubt anywhere, Okay, put it up, the image of it, and put it up in the chat box, or I mean WhatsApp. You know my number, so send it to me. If I'm not able to reply immediately, I'm really sorry about it because I'll be tied up with n number of classes. If I don't send it maximum within 24 hours or at least 12 hours, right? Put a reminder to me. Okay, just put a reminder. No need to working out questions. Yes, you can do. No need to send the answers. Shrujan, no need to send me the answers. This is only for your textbook. Okay, is it clear? Yes, no, anyone have anything to be asked? If it is clear, yes, all the very best to you. Prepare very well. All your exams, I'm not only talking about your LR subject, for all the papers, prepare very well. Be thorough because you know that being a professional, how much ever you prepare, it is not sufficient. It is not at all sufficient. So go ahead. And any doubt, feel free to contact me. If you have my number, good. If you don't have my number, you can get it from your coordinator. Yes. So all the best to you. We'll wind up the session. Yes. Meanwhile, if anyone have to ask anything or if you want to take a screenshot of this, anything, just let me know. I'll do it. And if you don't have anything, then yes, you can leave the session. Business environment, PP, you will be getting a PDF, second and third chapter. First chapter, I hope you got it. Second and third, you will be getting soon. And the revision class starts from tomorrow for business environment, correct? So we'll be discussing, prepare well, because it's not like after coming to the class, we'll be preparing. We'll be discussing MCQ questions. Okay. Let me see. So I'll be asking you questions, MCQ. So prepare well. You have to prepare beforehand, not like LR. So you have to prepare today for tomorrow. Let me see how many of them answers well or answers correctly. Shreya. I'll try Shreya because anyhow these questions will be included in the notes which I have, which I'll be giving you. Okay. What shows it's today, Deepthi? Business environment. At what time? Does your timetable shows that today morning was LR? Now, Deepthi, no and yes. What am I supposed to say? Okay, it shows that 11 o'clock was LR, correct? In that case, today there's no business, it will be tomorrow. Okay. Revision class PDF. You mean what and all we have worked out in this class, right? You want a PDF of that? Guys, you want a PDF of revision class also? Okay. Done. All the one PDF I'll send where all the questions will be put up. Okay. Be it mirror image or whatever we have discussed in this 4 days, I'll put that single PDF and I'll send it to you. Is it fine? So in that case, you'll be receiving that today, that and syllogism and yesterday's. No, yesterday's anyhow it is there, right? I'll combine yesterday's together in one PDF itself. So one PDF of that and one PDF of syllogism you'll receive. Any other doubts, guys? Anything to be asked, said? LR notes we have not sent Shraddha, but business environment chapter 1, it has been a big group. So check in your group, Shraddha, it will be there. Okay. Okay, chalo guys, we'll wind up then. Have a wonderful day. All the best. See you tomorrow for business environment. Bye-bye.